Students, hi students. Today we will discuss sets. Mm. So usually, what is meant by set? Uh, Set means what is meaning of set means set is a mm, the collections of object means the whatever object the collections of pen, okay na, the collections of newspaper, next collections of gold, collections of bags, so like that, okay na. The set meaning is the collections, okay na. Here in mathematics, in generally mathematics, what is meant by sets means the set is a well defined collections of object, okay na, well defined collections of object, okay na, for or members or numbers, okay na. So here one more, here I actually trust this word, what is well defined collections of object, means first of all, well defined collections of object means, here students, well defined means, for example, universal truth. For example, here maybe you ask me, what are the vowels in English alphabets, okay na. Okay, I am saying A E I O U, okay na. A E I O U, okay na. So you maybe you ask someone, um, they said also A E I O U. Then you can ask any one person, same answer it will come, okay na. Say AIO, okay na, same answer will come na. So that same answer is well defined collections. For example, one more example, the natural number, for example, 1 to 10 natural numbers. You ask anyone 1 to 10 natural numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 10, 6 7 8 9 10, okay na. Anyone ask 1 to yeah, less than 10 natural number, same answer will come, okay na. So same answer will come na, that same answer we are called as well defined collections, okay na. For example, not well defined object means, I tell you one example. For example, in cricket, which are the most famous list, okay, for example, list them any five most famous in your your interest in cricket players, okay na. For example, someone said Sachin, Dravid, next Dhoni, okay na, Kohli, okay na, Ricky Ponting, like that. Someone is said, say not same persons, okay na. Say they said different persons they list out, okay na. So like here, the answer is change person to person. So this is not a well defined, okay na, understood? The answer is same, you ask anyone, answer is same, that is well defined. The answer is it will come different person to person, so it is not well defined, okay na, understood students? This is set in mathematical, okay na. I think I hope you understood the answer, okay na, set mean definition. So okay na, we'll go for next. Set is here the the element of set is denoted by small letters, okay na. The element of set is denoted by small letters, okay na. The set is are usually denoted by the capital letters, okay na. A B C D and X and Y Z. Here also small x small y small z, okay na. Then next, A is an element in the set A, then we can denote it as A belongs to A, small a belongs to A. So this symbol is we can we can denote it as belongs to. This symbol is belongs to. Okay na. So here the element A is not in the set A means how can denote it is means A is not belongs to. Okay na, understood? A is not belongs to. So here does not belongs to. This symbol is does not belongs to. Understood? Set meaning and how to represent here. For example, look at here. For example, I take here, students, look at here. I take capital A. Okay na. The I 1 2 3 4 5 5 6. Okay na. So here set is denoted by the capital A, means capital letters. Okay na. The elements are denoted by the small letters. Here also numbers also. Okay na, we can denoted the elements of set. 1 here, 1 is belongs to A. Okay na. So this one is belongs to. Okay na. Then next 2 is also belongs to A. Okay na. This is curly. What is it? Curly brackets or flower brackets. It is curly brackets or flower brackets. Okay na. So understood the set definition, students.